I will show you how to get the best web development skills of your life. Stay tuned. First up, start with the basics. HTML and CSS are your bread and butter. They help you structure and style your web pages. Next, dive into JavaScript. It makes your websites interactive and dynamic. Think of it as the magic wand of web development. After that, explore frameworks like React or Angular. These tools help you build complex applications faster and more efficiently. Don't forget about back-end development. Learn about Node.js and databases like MongoDB or SQL. They're crucial for managing data and server-side logic. Now, let's talk about tools. Git for version control, VS Code for coding, and Chrome DevTools for debugging. These will be your best friends. Finally, keep learning and stay updated. Follow industry news, join developer communities, and never stop coding. So, are you ready to embark on your web development journey in 2024? Don't just watch, start coding today.